Alright, so to complete this section and complete this chapter, what we want to do is we want to add in a couple boundaries. So we want to go back to our surface. We're going to create a surface edge break line again for our main road because we want to pick up this edge through here. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. And again, we're going to come back. I'm going to delete these pieces. So I'm going to pick this line, go to this edge break line. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to break line, and we'll go ahead and we'll break this line segment here. And I don't need that piece, so we'll delete that. And then I'll come down and we'll pick this line again, and I'm going to delete that one at the end of this line here. I'm going to pick this, and I don't need that because I do have the outer boundary that we created before. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to join this line, right, which goes all the way down to here. Close that. I'm going to join it to this line. Okay, and then we come up here and we know that that line goes to there. Right, so what I can do is select that as well, and you can see that it's all connected over to there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo that, and I'm just going to close this, and we will right click and just auto close this line. So that's our boundary. Okay, so now I have an outer boundary for my main edge, so it's all the way around, and then I also have one for the inner. So if I right click and, or actually sorry, I go to surface boundaries here, and we pick this outer one and this inner one, we add to the finished design. You can see it cuts out that section of our site. Right, so now we've got the hole and the inner boundary for our pond. Right. So that creates the overall grading. We've got our site, we've got our walls, we've got our road, we've got our pond, we've got it daylighted out. Now we can start doing some other things. We can add in the utilities next. We'll show you how to do other features as well, like a drill plan. We'll do a site improvement or a site takeoff and a bunch of other stuff here in the following chapters.